Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for non-farm payroll Friday, February 6, 2015. Got a little bit of a buy condition here in the NASDAQ. We had a pretty sporty session where we drove up towards pretty much the range high of this kind of choppy area that we've been trading in. Got a fair amount of buy-side signals, but not a lot of downside signals. But it's not that big dominant preponderance of upside CPSs. We'll have to see what the number is tomorrow. The big loser today was Alibaba, almost 3% below the day's open, finally breaking down out of that range. Entertainment arts, real strong day with an upside CPS. Netflix has been real strong, but that one looks to me like it's finally starting to run out of gas after it pierced that 375 area. So that may need to rest here and stage a little bit again before the next assault. Financials, a couple of upside CPSs here. ICE, upside CPS, 4% above the day's open. Bank of America's got a contra candle to the downside. We had good volume today in Sallie Mae and Visa. Visa made a new 52-week high today, and that one's setting up with an upside CPS. Actually have pretty strong flows. Energy names, sloppy again today for the most part. Funny thing is kind of the open-close deviations. Look, a lot of these things kind of settled in kind of where they opened, which is kind of interesting. But we do have a shade to the downside here and don't have any real buy signals. Standout today was BTU, the coal company, 4.5% above the day's open. Market general is a touch to the sell side here. Big volume today in Disney and Dow Chemical. Dow Chemical was halted for a while, and now some board changes, and apparently they were well received. Pfizer has a contra candle and an RPS on a volume bump, so watch Pfizer for downside tomorrow. Also, VMware had a sneaky sloppy day that was down $1.29 today, and was pretty weak. Housing names, fairly low volume, not a lot of action there. Transports, a little bit better today versus how they had been trading, but the airlines were a little bit sloppy before they kind of got saved by the afternoon walk-up in the futures. The commodities are definitely better to buy here. You know, about 1 out of 2 are to the buy side. We've got a complete absence of sell signals. That's the takeaway for that sector. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.